Open the package and remove all parts. Step 1. Assemble the handlebar. Place the foam under the chain ring. Grip the forks and turn the handlebar to the front. Unscrew the screws to remove the handlebar cover and assemble the handlebars. Close the handlebar cover. Gently tighten all the screws first. Adjust the angle of the handlebar and tighten them in diagonal order. Adjust the angle of the handlebar and then gently lock stem bolt. Then lock the 2 side screws. Step 2. Assemble the saddle. Release the seat post clamp. Insert the saddle into the seat tube over the minimum safety line, adjusting the knob to press the trigger. Step 3. Assemble the wheels. Turn the bike over and adjust the chain. Loosen the hanger screw. Move the rear derailleur back and snap it into the hanger, then tighten the screw again. Pull up the chain and snap the chain into the disc in the middle of the cassette. Loosen the chain and snap the wheel into the hanger, taking care to snap the brake disc into the brake caliper. Pick the chain up and hook up chain ring. Take the longer quick release lever, unscrew the end cap and remove 1 spring. Insert the quick release lever into the rear wheel. Insert a spring and screw on the end cap. Tighten the trigger and press firmly when the resistance is right. Loosen the fork protection bar and remove it. Remove the front axle protection cover. Assemble the front wheel into the fork, taking care to snap the disc into the caliper. Remove the shorter quick release lever, unscrew the end cap and remove 1 spring. Insert the quick release lever into the front wheel. Put in a spring first and then screw on the end cap. Rotate the trigger and squeeze the trigger at the right resistance. Step 4. Assemble the pedals. Determine the left and right directions of the pedals. L is the left pedal and R is the right pedal. Left foot pedal rotates counterclockwise. Right foot pedal rotates clockwise. Step 5. Assemble other accessories. Attaching wheel reflectors to spokes. Turn the bike over. Combine reflectors and reflector mounting bracket. Assemble the white reflector on the handlebar. Assemble the red reflector on the saddle tube. To the end of this installation, if you have any questions, please contact us.